Hey, right, I'm ready to look at something cool. I've been ordering things, as you know, from Amazon as part of the Vine project, where you get given free products to try out at home in real life situations. I have just got something really cool. Here is a lighting stand of mine, and it needs a light. And I got hold of one of these. Boom. It's a NEEWER CL-60B from NEEWER. And I am extremely intrigued in this item. It looks really good online. So if I just open it up. First things first, when I open it, it's looking really good. Looks really neat and tidy. We've got ourselves our instructions, which is hardly anything there. I like that. It means no hidden secrets in there. First little box. Guessing it's a power pack. Here it is. There we go. A power pack. Handle. Remote control. It's good for me because obviously I do a lot of YouTube videos like now, and I have a lot of things remotely to mess around with. So we've got the light itself here, and it's cone for the front. Right, well, let's have a look at this first as I've got it in my hand. See what the quality's like. Ooh, that's nice, isn't it? That's very nice. Like that. And we've got a light itself. Plop. That's good. It's got a handle for moving it when it's, I suppose it probably doesn't get hot, does it? It's got a cover on it at the moment. There you go, some little holes on that. It's got one style of light. Alright, it takes the good old Sony batteries. Let's have a look, which ones does it take? Not that one. Excellent. So it takes the NP-F960. Got the handle. Let's open up the handle first. So when you're on set, you've got that new guy that's been messaging on Facebook for forever, saying, can I make a film with you? Can I make a film with you? And they want the experience of what real filmmaking's like. They get to hold this. That's really nice. Yeah, that's really nice. That's really, really nice. Right, let's have a look at what we got here, shall we? All right, new friend. Let's see. Okay. It's nice, isn't it? I'm really liking stuff from NEEWER. As I said in previous videos, to me, this company is like what black magic is to red. They make a lot of good products that are actually in the price range of people like myself who are just normal working people. So, you know, I'd like to make my videos look high quality. They say a lot of it's not about the equipment, it's about what's in your head. It's very true. Now, I've been on this project collecting up a lot of this Vine stuff during the time of my back being bad, so I'm signed off work at the moment. And you don't see in these videos all the footage I cut out of me owing and owing and owing, crying like a little baby, because I've got a bad back. But during that time, I've been collecting a lot of free stuff from NEEWER, reviewing it, and I've got a short film that I'm going to be working on soon with with my friend Ruben and co. Going to shoot film. We're supposed to start this year, but it all went upside down. Obviously when this operation happened. So, right, looking pretty nice, isn't it? Two AAAs. So 2 AAAs needed. So it tells you how bright they are, your lights, and what colour you're on. So if I turn this on, yeah. Totally blowing everything out. There you go, so there you go, let's keep things on it. 56, 32, press up and go. Really, really bright. There you go, and press down, so we're on it 5600. There you go. And you want to turn it down to 50. And we need to match it with the second camera that's at 48. There we go. Nice, eh? And then we say, right, and cut. Remember, you want to save that energy. Poof, off it goes. Well, that's good, isn't it? So it hasn't got warm. Or should we say I didn't use it long enough for it to get warm. Basically, you've got like a lens, you've got a button, quick release. Takes off the hood. That's what this. And the back, it's got a display, a little LCD screen, the same as what's on the remote control. Exactly the same. And turn it off. Okay, so there's a 0, a 1, and a 2 on the switch. 0 is off, 1 is for your power, 2 is for your batteries. We're going to try a real life scenario with the handle. Here's the grip. Oh, this is good, eh? Yeah, this is good. So you say, hey Dave, can you hold the light here for a second? Yeah, thanks. And action. Hey Dave, stay still. I am. This is filmmaking, by the way. Yeah, that's filmmaking. Okay, well. Right, so here's all close-ups of it. That's how big it is. I've got 2 of my own batteries on there, so you need to get some of the Sony batteries for it. There you go. LEDs in there. This is what I mean about the catch. Little button just there. Literally pops off like so. Got this lovely handle. Lots of grip. some guy on set's going to be holding that for a long time. It literally is down the bottom. That's for your power source via a 240 volt, the adapter. The top one is for batteries. As you can see on the back, it's the exact same information as on your remote control. All in all, this is a fantastic and small compact light. I think I'm going to be using this all the time. Also has channel 1 and channel 2. So I'm guessing you can, oh no, that's for memory, I guess. Yeah. You can save presets in it using the remote control. It's got an M button for memory. I'll read the instructions properly actually, and then I'll know a lot more. I've not read the instructions at all. I'm just playing with it. But all in all, this is a really nice device. For 100 quid, you can't go wrong. Yeah. Love it. There's a little dial here for your 56 to 3200. And there's your brightness on the other side. A little handle to carry it when it's hot. So, I'm going to give this little baby, I'm going to give it definitely a 5 out of 5. Do you know what? I'm really liking this company, NEEWER. I just find that all the products, they look good and they work, but they're cheap. Alright, so it's a 5 out of 5. I love it. It's now my new primary light. This is Dax79. Very happy with this, and I can't wait to use it for future projects. See you in the next video.